Okay, so first task for me, I'm headed to go grab a tractor, and I'm gonna start moving bins, getting bins prepared, and set. Kids are about to do dogs, as you can hear. So the major task is going to be to move about 16 of the picking bins. Each of them will get about 850 pounds of grapes. So we'll harvest about 7 tons, approximately 7 tons tomorrow morning. We gotta get the tractor out. Okay, it's the morning of harvest. Getting the last details sorted. Here we go.
Oh, didn't notice that.
17!
17! Belly. See? Saying hi to Daddy. Alright, so we are harvesting. Yeah. Lots of grapes. Alright, so I'm gonna catch up to the group. And yeah.
All right, long day. What, eight bins done. We're tired. We're gonna take some time. Just enjoy the evening. All right, day two. Day two of harvest. Time to deliver grapes.
So this vineyard, or this winery, all the grapes they grow is that. They only grow that 5 acres right in front of us. The rest of their 200 tons of production, or 200 tons of grapes that they buy, comes from people like us. Hauling our own grapes to them. They appreciate it if we wear masks, just so you know. So.
I will stay away.
We're gonna need one of the straps, just so you know.
Last time with all the others? Or did
Yes.
you know them?
We did.
Yeah?
Yeah. Jose?
Oh, I was just gonna say it's still filming.
All right, so here we have some Cabernet Sauvignon grapes, and we're gonna make some grape juice with that, which will eventually be a little bit of jelly, but we also enjoy the grape juice. And I'm just gonna take all these grape berries off of the cluster. We'll rinse them off. I use about a half a bucket and I get 2 quarts. All right, so over here we have 3 different varieties of grapes. We have Merlot, Zinfandel, and Cabernet Sauvignon. And we're doing them separately to make the juices so that we can compare them, and then we'll also make some jelly or preserves out of those. So I'm over here taking the berries off of the stems, and it just brings me back to the crush room when we're doing it on a very large scale, and we throw in, you know, tons of grapes into the destemmer, and these stems just shoot out the other side. And here I am in the kitchen doing it on a very small scale.
What's going on?
Talking to my friends.
Texting Alaska friends? Who is it?
Kayla.
Kayla?
Kayla Abbott.
All right, so there's lots of different ways to make juice, and we're using a steamer method. So the bottom layer here has water, and then on top of that we put what collects all the juice. And then on top of that, we put this, and this is what we put the fruit into. And of course, a lid. You can hear the sticky grape floor here. I have mopped, but it's gonna take a couple mops to get that all done. Okay, so here's our steamer. And I'll go ahead and show you. Here's our berries or grapes that we have. And put those in there. Right, time to go to the stove top. Turn it on. Get our lid. And this tube here, the juice comes out of here, and we have a stopper here and another stopper, 2 of them, so you do not want juice all over your kitchen. And when it's ready, we'll start filling up jars just like this with juice.
What is this?
Merlot.
Merlot. Oh, Alpine Lily. Hey.
All right, we keep drinking it. That's the problem.
It's so good.
What's the problem?
It takes 2
good
hours
puzzle.
to make 2
It's a good puzzle.
But the water has been steamed, so you get this really purified water, and it makes a wonderful juice.
Well, I think the question people want to know is, when is the next episode of The Kitchen at Palmer's Progress? I mean, what's up?
It's coming up here in November for sure. Will be.
Every Tuesday,
Details?
7 o'clock.
There you go.
Tune in.
Mm-hmm.
We'll be back.
Yes.
Season 2.
Person you should ask.
And now we wait.
Might as well do our hair.
Wow.
The cookies my mom used to make.
What?
What?
What is that? Are they good?
I don't know.
Well, they're not chocolate and butter, you know.
What is she doing?
What does she do?
They are kind of harvesty. They're
Harvest.
They're apple cookies, and they have a little frosting on top. They're really yummy. So
Frosting is for sugar cookies.
yeah, but it's butter and sugar and a little bit of vanilla. It's gonna be. They're kind of cakey. They're supposed to have nuts in them.
No.
Oh, there's some
No.
nuts.
It's gonna be good, and then you guys will have it in your taste buds for when you get older, and you'll fix them for your children, and they'll do the same thing. They'll go, ugh, but then they'll have them, and then they'll want to have them when they get older too.
No, when I have kids, nobody's gonna have to eat anything. We'll have like electronic.
Oh, really?
Ooh.
We eat phones.
Welcome to
I don't
the
want to live in
Matrix.
your future.
Laurel. All right, time to sanitize the jars before we fill them up with the juice. I have the tops in here as well. It's in boiling water. It's really hot. And I'm just gonna rotate them in here. And you can use a larger pot as well. A little tricky. All right. All right, this went better last time.
This seems dangerous.
It is dangerous. Do not do this at home. All right, they have those little jar things. It's packed away somewhere. All right, I need my assistant, Lily. Every time. All right. sorry, that's the jar there. Okay. And then we can put the lid on it.
And now we wait for it to seal, which when this doesn't come up when I click on it, that means it's sealed.
And then you can also do a hot water bath just to make sure it's sealed really well.
We're not doing that.
Well, we're gonna make most of these into jam or preserves.
So this is just temporary storage for now.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so we have already made 2 quarts of juice, and now this is what's left in here. It was filled up to right around here, and now it's gone down and into our jars to enjoy later. We're gonna compost the leftovers. In the future, we're looking forward to making some fruit leather and using those seeds